Arctic mammals, thriving in sub-zero temperatures. The Arctic is one of the coldest and harshest places on Earth, with freezing temperatures, icy landscapes, and months of darkness in winter. Yet, despite these extreme conditions, many mammals have adapted to survive, and even thrive, in this frozen world. From the powerful polar bear to the tough Arctic fox, these animals have developed unique survival strategies to endure sub-zero temperatures. But how do they manage to live in such extreme cold? Let's explore the amazing adaptations of Arctic mammals and how they have evolved to survive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. What makes the Arctic so extreme? The Arctic is located around the North Pole and includes parts of Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Russia, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland. It is covered in sea ice, glaciers, and tundra, making it a very difficult place for animals to survive. Challenges of living in the Arctic. Thermometer freezing temperatures. Winter temperatures can drop below -50 degrees Celsius -58 degrees Fahrenheit. Wind face strong winds. Arctic storms bring blizzards and icy winds that make it even colder. New moon months of darkness. During the Arctic winter, the sun doesn't rise for several months, creating long periods of darkness. Snowflake limited food. Many plants and animals disappear or hibernate in winter, making food hard to find. Despite these extreme conditions, Arctic mammals have evolved special adaptations to survive. How do Arctic mammals survive the cold? Arctic mammals have developed incredible ways to stay warm, find food, and avoid predators. Their survival strategies include keycap 1 thick fur and fat layers barefaced snowflake. Most Arctic mammals have thick fur and layers of fat, blubber, to insulate their bodies. This keeps them warm by trapping body heat and protecting them from the freezing cold. White heavy checkmark polar bears have thick fur and a 10 cm, 4-in, layer of blubber to stay warm. White heavy checkmark Arctic foxes have the warmest fur of any animal, changing from brown in summer to white in winter for camouflage. White heavy checkmark musk oxen grow a double layer of fur, including a soft undercoat called kiviot, which is 8 times warmer than sheep's wool. Keycap 2 small body features to reduce heat loss fox face. Many Arctic animals have small ears, short noses, and compact bodies to reduce heat loss. White heavy checkmark Arctic hares have short ears to keep warmth in. White heavy checkmark lemmings stay warm with round bodies that conserve heat. White heavy checkmark wolves and foxes curl up and wrap their fluffy tails around their faces to protect from the cold. In contrast, animals in hot climates, like elephants, have large ears to release heat. Keycap 3 hibernation and torpor badger. Some Arctic mammals hibernate or go into torpor, a deep sleep-like state, during the coldest months to conserve energy. White heavy checkmark Arctic ground squirrels lower their body temperature to -3 degrees Celsius 27 degrees Fahrenheit during hibernation, the lowest of any mammal. White heavy checkmark brown bears hibernate for up to 7 months without eating, drinking, or pooping. White heavy checkmark lemmings stay active under the snow, where it's warmer, and eat stored food. Not all Arctic mammals hibernate. Polar bears, foxes, and wolves stay active all year. Keycap 4 changing color for camouflage snowflake. To avoid predators and blend in, many Arctic animals change their fur color with the seasons. Amazing Arctic mammals and their survival skills. Here are some of the most incredible mammals that live in the Arctic and their amazing survival adaptations. Barefaced snowflake polar bear, the king of the Arctic. The largest land carnivore, weighing up to 1,500 pounds, 700 kilograms. Can swim 100 miles 160 kilometers at a time in icy water. Uses black skin, under its white fur, to absorb heat from the sun. Wolf-face Arctic wolf, the cold-resistant hunter. Lives in -50 degrees Celsius -58 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures without shelter. Hunts in packs, chasing prey over long distances. Has white fur to blend into the snowy landscape. Fox-face Arctic fox, the ultimate survivor. Has the warmest fur of any Arctic mammal. Can survive in temperatures as low as -70 degrees Celsius -94 degrees Fahrenheit. Burrows under the snow for warmth and protection. Ox musk ox, the fluffy giant. Grows long, thick fur to trap body heat. Lives in herds to stay safe from predators. Uses its curved horns to fight off wolves and bears. Spouting whale narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. Has a long, spiral, tusk, actually a tooth, that can grow 10 feet, 3 meters. Dives up to 1 mile, 1,500 meters, deep under the ice to find fish. Uses echolocation, sound waves, to navigate in dark waters. Climate change, a threat to Arctic mammals. The Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world due to climate change. This is a big problem for Arctic mammals that depend on ice and cold temperatures to survive. Major threats. Fire melting ice. Polar bears are losing their hunting grounds as sea ice disappears. Thermometer rising temperatures. Animals like Arctic foxes and wolves struggle to stay cool. Globe showing Europe-Africa less food. Warmer temperatures affect food sources like fish and seals. Scientists are working to protect Arctic habitats and help these amazing animals survive. Conclusion. Nature's toughest survivors. Arctic mammals have evolved incredible adaptations to survive in one of the most extreme places on Earth. With thick fur, blubber, camouflage, teamwork, and smart hunting strategies, they continue to thrive in the freezing cold. However, climate change is threatening their survival, and it's up to humans to protect the Arctic and ensure that these amazing animals continue to roam the icy wilderness for generations to come. Globe showing America's Can Arctic mammals continue to adapt to a changing world? Only time will tell. Snowflake paw prints.